So I guess those are loons. Loons is what the lady told me they were. I told her thank you for being my Google search this morning. Google search so I can be like, what are those things? I don't have to go look it up. I mean, of course I'm going to go look it up anyway, but still, she gave me the idea of what they are. And then someone told me we have some pelicans over here. I can't see them. Of course, they're too far away. It'd be cool to see some pelicans. Man, it's so beautiful out here, man. Wow, this is a great day. Great day, great day. I keep forgetting I have to go back and look at the Vedic um, astrology to see what this actual new moon is, though. Good. Is that your dog? Yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Good, good. We just saw walking around like we saw tags from Missouri and everything. I'm like, it's a long way from Missouri. Okay, okay, that's cool. Ah, okay, okay. The calm dog too, though, so that's good. So, gotta get out, man. Get out, find out how to connect with the water. Connect with the water. Oh, there go the pelicans right there. Man, that's pretty good. It got some enormous wings. Wings are huge. It's like I've never seen a pelican up close, but I hope it looks better than the pelican that Anthony Davis mascot for the New Orleans Pelicans. That thing was ugly. Those wings are enormous, man. Those wings are huge. It's cool. So get out here in nature and spend time in nature and nurture. Man, this feels so good. This feels so good. It's like energized, energetic. Had some coffee. I didn't even need it. I should have just been like, went with my first thought, like skip the coffee. I would have been cool without the coffee, but oh well. Come out, get out in nature, do some walking, do some breathing exercises, find out how to give back to the water. Yeah, find out how to give back to the water. This is probably one of the most vital elements in my life, though. Water. So, rejuvenating. That's what I call it. I'm gonna talk to this dude and see what he's doing. I could spend my whole life out here. Not like in this place, but outside in this type of environment, though. It's just beautiful, man. It's just a beautiful day. One. Now go ahead. Go ahead. You good. You good.
Oh, there's, yeah,
I
cool.
just.
He's coming right by here. I think he's going that way.
Which one?
This little loon right here.
Oh, that loon right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That pelican.
Yeah, yeah. I see. I was looking at how enormous their wings are,
They're
though, man. It's
big.
like,
They are
man,
huge.
they're huge.
Yep.
I know someone told me they had eagles out here. I don't know. I think it was like a month ago.
Yeah.
I couldn't get out.
I think they've all left.
Yeah, I was like, it was in February. I'm like, it was nice that Saturday, but I just didn't
Yeah.
feel like getting out here for that, though. Man, it's beautiful out here today.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes, I've been waiting for this my whole life.
Yeah, it's perfect weather.
You know, it's like, man,
Yeah, this is ideal. And the
sounds like
water's
it
so
sounds like
calm.
hyperbole, like to be out and say that, I've been waiting for this type of day, but it's like, after all that dreariness and winter and
We
everything,
had
it's like,
a lot of that, didn't we? Yep.
so
Yeah, that's kind of cool picture over there with that pelican. He's a long way away, but
I know.
they've been coming up closer here. There's several of them out there. They're clear out there, though.
Oh, okay, yeah, they're all the way out there. I wonder if it's certain times of day that they come up here though.
I don't know.
Try to get some food to bait them in here though. Maybe they they probably don't eat McDonald's though. That's probably not a good idea.
Yeah, they're looking for fish.
It's weird. It's like, what are they native to? Like their habitat is usually this type of. They're not usually here though, are they?
No, they're migrating through.
They migrate through.
Yeah. I don't know where they summer. I'm really not sure.
Okay.
But yeah, they're just passing through.
Because are they mostly a hot bird, like go to the south and everything like that though?
I don't really know.
Okay.
I think they winter down south and then head up north in the summer. But again,
Okay.
I don't know that much about pelicans.
All right. So it's something
They're
else I have
big,
to look
though.
up. Pelicans and lagoons. What's the name
Yeah,
of the
this
bird?
is a loon.
Loon.
Here, just like it looks like a duck.
Okay.
Kinda.
Pelican
But
loons.
they live up north, like in Minnesota and all
Okay.
those places. So they migrate south, and they're headed back up into Minnesota and up northern states.
Okay. They do like the old people do that, like get
Yeah.
it'd be like, nah, I'm not spending my winters in Illinois. So
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
like my bones just can't take it.
Yep.
That's pretty smart though, man. You know what I mean? Just
Yep.
what the birds do.
It's amazing how they do it. There's a pelican flying up
Yeah.
there.
Is that one right there?
No, that's
Oh,
just
okay.
a shorebird, but he's going to come in this way, I think, and land on the water. Maybe. No. He's going to go on over there, I guess. Yeah, to me, it's just amazing how God created all these creatures and how they know how to fly south and where to go. And, I mean, it's just,
It's like an anti-migration system that they have, like their own
Yeah.
GPS.
yeah, it's just
And
crazy.
the timing of it too, though. You know what I mean? It's
Yep.
like
Yep.
like, all right, it's time to get out of here. I don't know. They send
Oh,
signals to
here,
each
yeah,
other.
Here he comes. He's coming.
Oh,
I bet
okay.
he's going to go by that other one, maybe.
Is that one right there? No.
Oh no, I think that's a shorebird. Oh yeah, it is actually. Yeah, that's a pelican.
Yeah, those wings are enormous, man.
Big birds.
It's crazy.
Especially if you get one come up close to you, then they really look big.
Yeah, they probably send signals to each other, like, all right, it's time to get out of here.
Yep. I'm not a fisherman, but boy, it looks